Morning. Here we are again, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're going to take a residential plumbing system, kitchen faucet and all that, and apply it to this RV type. Let me get the parts out for you. Put you on pause real quick. Now this one came off the old one. I had to cut it to get it up through here. All right. So the new one is the 3/8 compression fitting. Okay, you can see it's got rubber in there. It's got a screen. So what had to do was go get a shark bite, 1/2 by 3/8 compression fitting, 1/4 turn. Might as well put these in, you know, because you got to modify them anyway. And that's flowing. All right. Put it on pause. Once again, we'll give you the part number. Shark bite, PEX copper, Culver, CPVC, PERT, 13A 818041, or 1/2, which is this end, PEX, by 3/8 outside diameter, straight stop, 1/4 turn. Now you can make a 90. So remember, when the valve air is pointed toward in line with the hose, then it's flowing. If it's at right angles or 90 degrees, it is off, as you see. Okay, on, flowing. All right, so basically we're going to put this down in there. Now look, here's something else you're going to see. Is that the same size? Well, look at that. I'll be darned. Let's see. All right, put you on pause. We'll fit that in. All right, so basically, I had to take all this off, right? That goes up top. This one comes down. You got to pull all the hoses through, and this will go from underneath. Okay, this is underneath. You tighten it all the way up against this anodized. You get it tight, squishing the counter right there, that part in there. And then you take the, I believe it's 8mm. Okay. I know some of you got upset over there, wrote me a nasty letter saying, oh my God, you're not professional because you use millimeter. Well, let me tell you something. Here is 5/8 of an inch. Okay. And it fits right on there pretty darn good. Here's 16mm. Okay. Fits on there perfect. It's the same size wrench. It's about 1/2 millimeter off, folks. You're not torquing nothing. You're not putting together a precise piece of equipment. You got to use what you got to use out there in this field. All right. Some of you got both of them, metric and standard. Some of you just got standard. All right. We're going to make it. Pliers work good. All right. So remember, it's 3/8 compression. All right, so that would go on there. We got to make sure the screen and the rubber's in there. That would go on there like that, right? It's a little dark in here, but I'm out here in the middle of nowhere in the back lot of my place. And put you on pause. I'm going to connect that to that just to show you. Okay, so there it is like that, and that would be the PEX. You would just push it on. Let me show you the tool if you got to take it off. Right there's the tool, right? That pushes this collar back in. All right, so one side's a little bit bigger than the other. You can see it right there. So that goes up in there, right? And then you squeeze that brown collar. Let's see if we can get it to move. All right, oh, there you go, messed up there. But that's because it's not attached right now to a piece of PEX. But you got the idea. You stick that up in there, squeeze it. Okay. I had an older one, but I don't know what I did with it. So I had to get a new one, right? All right. So now we're going to take all this off, feed that down there, and I'm going to show you where I'm working. So obviously, we're not going to both fit up in there, this camera. That little spot, okay? It's a corner unit. Yay. Thank God they made my job easy, huh? All right. So I'll put you on pause and then we'll get back to you when we get it all hooked up. Just showing you some of the basic tools, okay?